Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JBL Party Light Beam and the JBL Party Light Stick. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price for the Party Light Beam, $150, and the Party Light Stick, $100. All right, so let's start off with the Party Light Beam. Now, like I said, this one is going to run you $150. It's Bluetooth version 5.3. You can light up a 400 square foot room. You got 3 RGB lights and 4 LED lights. You got a built-in mic, so this will work with any speaker. Doesn't have to be JBL. But if you have a JBL speaker that has Auracast, you can pair them together. You can pair multiple beams together. And you can use the JBL Party Box app to synchronize the lights with your Party Box speaker. All right, so all of that for $150. Let's unbox it and see what it is. All right, so inside the box, you got your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. And you get the plug. And here's your Party Light Beam. Now on one side, it says Party Light Beam. On the back, this is how you plug it in. And this is real simple. To power it up, all you gotta do is flip it up. To turn it off, flip it back down. Here's how the lights look when it's off. And we'll go ahead and plug this in and try it out. All right, so I got it plugged in, and I'm not gonna shine the light directly into the camera because I do understand that people have epilepsy. But I do want y'all to see that it works. So when you turn it on, that's how the lights look. And when you want to turn it off, just like that. All right, so I got it paired up with the Party Box app, so let's check it out. Now, on a side note, I am going to switch the camera in a minute and give y'all a better view. Now, if I want to, I can sync this with my Party Box. All I got to do is press Auracast. Here's your light controls. Okay, so we got loop. We got neon, we got bounce, trim, switch, okay? Bunch of different styles, and you got random. Now we can also change the individual colors. You can change the speed, the brightness, and sound detection. Again, you don't have to have a JBL speaker. Any speaker, if you put on sound detection, it'll link up. Okay, now I'm gonna get maximum brightness. And there's your software information. All right, so let me sync it up with the Party Box. Now, on the side of the beam, you got 3 buttons. Power, Auracast, and your RGB lights. Now, to sync it up with a Party Box, all you got to do is turn on the Party Box, press the Auracast button, and do the same on the beam. All right, so I'm going to play a little music, and I'll cycle between some of the different lighting patterns. Now, if you don't have a JBL speaker, it has an internal mic. So if you look closely, it's actually reacting to my voice. I'm going to play some music. As you can see, if I stop talking, it stops flashing as much. And when I play the music, it'll flash even more. Now you can go to the light and manually change different RGB colors and patterns. All right, so I moved the camera and the light back a little bit further. So here's how it looks. Now let's try some of the different light patterns. All right, so next up, we got the JBL Party Light Stick. Now this one is gonna run you $100. It's Bluetooth version 5.3. It's IPX4 splash resistant, so this is for indoors or outdoors. You got a 360-degree light show. You got built-in mics, so this will also work with any speaker. But if you have a JBL speaker with Auracast, you can pair them up, and you can pair up to 32 lights together. Now the battery life on this is 8 hours. And I'm gonna show you a cool feature called Stage Mode, where you need at least 4 of these to connect. Now inside the box, you got your usual books and shit, and it comes with a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. Now this is a 2-part setup. It comes with the base. On the bottom, you got some rubber stoppers that's gonna keep it from moving around, and it comes with the light stick. Now on the light stick, on one side, here's your controls. So you got your power button, Auracast, your RGB lights, and this is going to be your USB Type-C charging slot. Now to set it up, just put it in the base and twist it to lock into place. Now I want to show y'all something. Let me take this off. When you power it up, watch this. It kind of looks like a lightsaber. So this is multi-use. Okay, I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one. All right, so just like with the Party Light Beam, you can connect it to your Party Box app. And if you want to, you can sync it with your Party Box, which I'll show you in a minute. You got all your different lighting controls. Bounce, trim, switch. And you can freeze on solid colors. You got the speed, the brightness. Let me switch to something else. You got sound detection. Again, just in case you don't have a JBL speaker, turn on sound detection, and you see it's kind of going with my voice. You got backlight, makes it even more intense, and you got your product information. Now I'm going to sync it up with the Party Box, and then I'll show you Party Stage. All right, check this out. Now I paired it up to my Party Box 120 using Auracast. Alright, so now let me show you how Party Stage works. Now you need a minimum of 4 party light sticks, and then you just use the app and set up stage mode. Check this out. This looks so sick. All right, let's go ahead and wrap this video up. All right, so check this out. I got 2 Party Box Ultimates. We got the Party Light beams in the back. We got a Party Box 120 and 320 all paired together using Auracast. Check this out.
Yeah. Trapper. Shout out to the Google gangsters. Yo, feel like Floss with this new tech. This ain't Mortal Kombat, but you next. Shout out YouTube, got a few checks. Cartier frames, got some new specs. Look, this red M5 fast as a cheetah. This package is meager. Stuffing bass and back in the speakers. I got a new phone, but wish I was still tracking with beavers. This dude real and started singing on wax like Aretha. Yo, never mind that M5, got a new beam. I might get it dirty, but it's too clean. I told Flossy it's a go, got a new team. I might need another phone for this new scheme. I might need this new cream for this new play. A couple yams in a pot, that's a souffle. This PlayStation's on the block for like 2K. This verse dumb, it hit hard, Bobby Boucher. Nah, for real, man. Yo, shout out to White Shoes, you heard? Flossy. Mandatory. Trap, what up, Trapper. Baby? Chase. Look. Flossy Entertainment. Shout out to all 2 million subscribers. We appreciate everybody in the comment section. We're gonna keep giving y'all these products, man. Keep tapping in.
This is insane. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the JBL Party Light Beam and Party Light Stick a major go. Now keep in mind, you don't need JBL speakers for this to work, but if you got a JBL speaker that supports Auracast, you need these. Y'all know how I feel about RGB lights. This is the ultimate party vibe. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Street Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Scotty, one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.